I didn't use any glue. As you guys can see, it is completely glueless. Can you see that? Completely glueless. You can definitely add baby hairs to this unit, or you can just leave it just straight back and natural how I did. You can definitely change the parting, but I feel like a good middle part with short hair always just looks really cute, really simple, and we definitely love that. This hair is yucky, if I didn't say that earlier, but as you can see, it literally looks like my hair if I got it pressed out. This is how my hair texture would look. So it looks really natural, does not tangle, does not shed, super quick, easy, cute, fun, on the go hair. I could not ask for anything more. Okay, y'all, we are done with the hair. Ooh, she got a yucky bob. If y'all been watching my vlogs recently, then you know I've been going back and forth between long hair and short hair, so we love a good bob. Now, what I did with this Nadula bob, I did not cut it. I kept the full length just so you guys can see that if you're scared to chop away at your hair, you're scared that it won't be like a blunt cut, you won't get it even, you'll cut too much or too little, what have you, you can wear your bob just like this. Me, I am going to cut it probably right here, just because it is a little bit thinner than I would like right in the front. This is their No Show BYEBYE Knots wig. I'm not sure of the length of this hair. All of the links and details will be down below in the description box, but you literally don't have to do anything. You put on your wig cap. I put a little powder on my wig cap, which you really don't need to do. That's just something I like doing for myself. You can put a little bit of powder on the lace, which you don't need to do, because you saw when I put the wig on the back of my hand, it blended in perfectly with my skin tone. And then we just melted it a little bit with the edge band. You guys check out Nadula. All the info will be down below. Like I said, there will also be a coupon code. And you guys, get you a pre-cut lace wig. It is very sturdy, even though it's glueless. I do have the band on the inside, but y'all, this isn't going anywhere. Even if I go to the gym and sweat, it's not gonna slide, it's not moving, it's on my head. You don't have anything to worry about if a big gust of wind comes, okay? Y'all, I am loving this. Y'all check out Nadula. check out all the information that is down below so you can get this wig. Or if there's a different type of unit that you're looking for, Nadula always comes through with the quality. You guys check them out. And once again, thank you so much to them for sponsoring today's video. Nadula.